Yeah, my name is Aswath and I'm sales manager for TrainerCentral. It's a division of Zoho, and it's an online e-learning platform for internal and external trainees. Yeah, so the event has been fantastic so far. We have been able to get good leads. So it's a bit more than what we expected, honestly. So we are actually expecting good returns from it. Yeah, as I was saying, this was quite more than what we expected. We are actually a training platform, as I was saying. So we are starting to try out new verticals. So we just came here to the manufacturing summit as well. And this turned out to be where we got to meet people from different industries, not just from manufacturing. So it was even surprising for us to meet people from hotel industry, hospitality and pharmaceuticals. So I think it's good value for us. Yeah, we have already started sensing good business from this because we have got good, I would say, hot or very interested prospects. So we are expecting to have good business from this. Well, it is subjected to the discussion with my team, but it's almost a yes from us already. Thank you.